Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my beautiful people. It's your brother, your friend, Casey Brand TV. I'm back again with another information. Information is wisdom, information is power. Information makes us to know what we need to know that we don't make mistakes. So that's why we are here to pass that information and vital information. So please help us to share and hit the like button. Don't forget to share and hit the like button. So we are here to pass that information. So what happened just on the 27th, understand, this month? On the 27th this month, something happened. Understand? I hope you guys have heard about the deportation which is going on in Germany. I hope you guys have heard about that. So now, my people, we do over there where say you don't get that do so many times. Please try to find your way. Not be force. So find your way out from that place, because they say the deportation still they go on. Because now what they approve, and it's going to be forced deportation of people who they don't give the negative for that country so many times, and their lawyers not even fight that case for them to obtain documents. Now it can't be like say forced deportation. Understand? So they say now 35 Nigerians now they deport more from that country just on the 27th of July. 26 people from Germany and other 9 persons were from Austria. The deportation flight arrived in cargo section of the Lagos airport about 1 p.m. So they say now among the deportees were 3 underage girls deported with their mother and 3 other ladies. The deportation persons were arrived by officials of Nigeria's immigration service in presence of the delegation from the Germany embassy and Nigeria security service. Now they see they deport single mothers who get children for that countryside. Germany don't want to know that you get children. Once you don't reach who they want to deport to, they just conquer the person. People they deport now, many of people who did there where I know they get documents for Italy for a year, they go keep their documents for Germany. And now they did Nigeria, as many they talk. They get 2 years. The advice they use that 2 years till they work small. Use that 2 years till change that to autonomous. They know they see their friends to that side, they receive better money for camp. They pay them better money. They don't want to use their hand work. The one way God save, 90 way years say they want deport, 90 carry background. The boy now he don't the other country. I wish it not be God. They for pack this guy now with his own family go back to Nigeria. But now God still save ambition. He carry advice. Why the rest of the form say nothing they happen. Now see, if social media they talk say they want deport, some go the verse, they put thumbs up, some go the verse, they don't want even listening. No be say they want deport you. May you know how you did move for the countryside. You will get doodoo. That red doodoo say anytime they can deport you. Find your way. Find your way. For Italy, yeah, you never hear say Italy don't carry people go deport them. No. You never hear some people did this country so many years, they never get documents. But small, God will do, and one day they will give the documents. So will you maintain the document? It's good. It's better for you. For you to carry that 2 years now, 3 years or 5 years, you're giving a carry on that country, go kill them. Then you go remain without no documents. When those countries know they threaten you with deportation. Now you don't get where to go. You come back to Italy now. Italy now you know before you get documents after you don't get your documents. It go hard. Under their law, you cannot stay on that country more than 3 months, even 6 months. Then if you give you rich, you come back to Italy. But you don't go stop 5 years, 3 years, then you come back. Now we say how to get documents. So that because use your brain, maintain these documents. Maintain the document. Small, you will get them. All those mama will get children for that side. I beg, make now. If the Germany now don't decide, say they don't need enough for the countryside, carry your children, come back to where you come up from. They go accept you. Now you go to carry your children and go to serve for Nigeria now. Eh? If you never invest now, how you want to carry on? Many of those our boys say they deport now with those people now. They never invest. Many of them never invest. Huh? They say due to that Dublin law, if another one doesn't know new law day, due to that Dublin law, even Germany, Italy never they practice this law. Understand? Because Italy gets that they just get that God mind. Understand? They all get that God mind based on Pope. Now make they just calm down. They want to deport. Except you don't put you on for crime. Under that degree law, where some countries they follow, like France, Austria, and Germany, Sweden, Switzerland, Norway. Sometimes no all those countries now they never they deport like that, but they just stop. They reduce their deportation. But Germany, Austria, don't go there. Don't go and try them. So under that Dublin law, they say anybody when they deny their asylum request is obligated to leave the country. So if you cannot contact a lawyer, you need to come up for the country. If you can contact a better lawyer, go able to present your case for appeal. To present your case, say those your story they tell and agree, they accept you, no problem. If you will get with any country, you don't get documents for that country, no problem. But you will get that with the country where you never get documents. No, you want to find your way. No, you want to find your way, because once you don't get that doodle for Germany, that doodle with the don't put red, come up for the countryside. Remove. Because now they say, please be aware that arrest is still going on. Arrest is still going on based on the provision of the Germany foreign law, which legitimates keeping so-called obligated persons in deportation custody to guarantee their availability for the planned deportation. Enforcement flight is obligated. This one they want force. Understand? Guaranteeing their deportation. Enforcement flight. Note that it is also important to inform you that the Germany Deportation Authority has several hundred of deportation certificates that has been issued by Nigeria Embassy in Berlin. Several hundred of deportation tickets they don't give German authorities to deport. They don't really give the certificates when they carry them, deport them. So you, when I be careful, I don't hear that several hundred of deportation certificates are being issued to Germany authorities to deport any Nigeria. We get that to do. Be careful. Let me say, not say they don't. The news they go on now. The news they hot. They hot. Please take note. No be say you don't serve across that days, across that sea. You can't carry your enemy go back to that country. Where you know the stress where you pass, where you know the torture you pass. Because the law say the country where you step in, where you temperate, and then you must finish your immigration system or anything asylum request. Now there you need to finish in any country. If now Italy first step in, that Italy you finish your asylum request. Now there that country will give you documents. Once you don't complete, then you go on that country, you want to go seek asylum. It is hard. They can deny you anytime, and when they don't deny you, they will control Italy. Say don't deny you, Italy will say they hand on the inside because you don't move for that country, and they can deport you straight to your country. Now what did Germany do? Once they don't control your documents, your document don't die since many years for Italy, and they don't deny you for the country to have so many years for their country, they can deport you anytime. Nobody will question them. You don't hear say our Nigerian embassy now don't issue thousands, hundreds of certificates to deport any Nigeria. We no get documents for the country. We no they don't accept the asylum request to Nigeria. You don't see that country now. Find your way. We don't see no get documents. Be careful. Now you the worker. Share this video. Share this video. Know how you the worker. So please, we are here to pass out information. It's very important. Share the video and hit subscribe so that anytime I draw videos, you will be the first person to be notified. So guys, be careful for now. Deportation is going on. It's going on. Austria and Germany, they are deporting. So no are you the worker for now. Most of that Germany. Not only Nigeria, they deport to different countries. Different countries. Now they deport for now. So please be careful, my brothers and sisters. You will get documents, meeting your Italy documents. No go kill your documents. No go listen to friends. They say, don't make many people lose their documents. They say many people don't lose their appeal. They're supposed to give their documents. You get one boy, the appeal date come out, he don't go Germany. Now, he lose their appeal, their appointment. Other person can get documents. So be careful. Make another listing. If you need information, contact people where they talk about document issues, where they will put you through for you to go and make mistakes. So that's why we are here to help our brothers and sisters out there. So please, let's share love and make peace reign for our life. Please be careful. No go back to suffer when you don't come out. And that one that be the painest thing if it happen to man. You escape from suffering or some kind of things, danger or anything, then now they will take you back to that place where you know the suffer and the risk of life you take to reach this country. They will carry you go back. So please see you in my next video. And bye for now. It's your brother, your friend, KC Brand TV show. Please be careful. Know how you move. You with that gym, know how you move. Know how you do worker. Know how you do worker. You with the Italy. Carry better lawyer for your AP. If you don't see you don't get first negative, carry better lawyer for your AP. And make sure you bring proof to show the commission the day of your AP. It's very important. So guys, bye for now. It's your brother, your friend, KC Brand TV show. Let's talk from here. Much love.